we are the best. You want the worst? You go across the street. You want the best? Stay right where you are.
What's goody, it's your girl the best fowler, and I am back again with another video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you're notified when I upload. This is going to be a watch me work. I am going in, of course, with my stiletto long full cover nail tips and doing my Gel X dupe method. As you saw, we are using the Beetles gel nail polishes today. I do have a video on my page of me swatching these gel polishes if you're interested. I'm pretty sure you guys know of red bottom nails, but have you ever heard of a glitter bottom nail? No? Well, let me show you how I do it. I go in with 2 coats of my glitter nail polish. In order to do this method, you definitely have to have clear nail tip. I have been getting a lot more views on my videos. I am interested to know where you guys are coming from. I also just want to say thank you for clicking on my video. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share while you're here because it helps my channel grow. One of my goals this year is to do at least 5 giveaways. So comment down below what you would like to receive in a giveaway. After going in with the 2 coats of glitter polish, I do top it off with a base coat. There's no real reason why I put the base coat on after the glitter, but it just makes me feel better. Don't forget to wipe the bottom of your nails after you apply a coat of polish. This ensures that your shape stays intact. I will now be taking this nude polish and applying it on top of the glitter. This is going to be my background for the nail design that I'm going to do today. I take this darker brown color and I am going to be applying a half French tip. This design style is very popular right now, so I decided to try it out. This is my first time, so I would definitely say that it is beginner friendly. In my motto when it comes to nail art, as long as you have a cleanup brush, you are good to go. You can do anything. I am using Madame Glam's Perfect Black to create a cheetah print look. I am taking my dotting tool and I'm just drawing the parentheses. I'm making them different sizes. This is definitely beginner friendly nail art, so anybody can do it.
Outside in it.
I take a very skinny brush and I proceed to draw a line down the middle, separating the cheetah print from the French tip. I use the color Perfect Red from Madame Glam, but I eventually wipe that off and I go in with the same glitter that I used on the bottom of the nail The red was a little bit too bright for me. Let me know if you guys would have kept the red. There's no real reason, but for this finger, I went in with the separation line first, and then I did the French and the cheetah print design. I forgot to mention that after I put down a nude background color, I did go ahead and use a matte top coat. I take the colors that I've already used in this design, with the exception of that dark brown color, and I just take my dotting tool and fill in the cheetah print circles. Did I mention that I'm using my non-dominant hand to do this design? If I didn't, well, now I did. If you don't know already, I mentioned in my Get to Know Me swatch video that I am a Gemini, and Geminis are very indecisive. I like to mix match my nail sets. Let me know if you think this is too much, but what I kind of do is I stick with the same color palette. I'll just change up the art on the nail, and that's basically what I did in this video. I kept the colors similar to my comic book hand, but I changed the nail art, and I made sure to keep it matte as well because I love matte nails. Shout out to you if you are a matte person, but if you're not, that's fine too. Alright, well, that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. I do appreciate it. I am trying to get my channel to grow, so I'm definitely going to keep saying like, share, comment, subscribe, click on the notification bell so you're notified when I upload, and come back to watch more videos.
Caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one hoodie, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain